Okay, class, we are learning how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. If you look at your paper, our first problem is 5 times 2, 6. I'm going to first start by drawing a model. So we can see that we have 5 whole groups. If we look at our fractions, we notice that our denominator is 6, so that means each whole piece will have 6 pieces. So now we're going to look at our numerator. We see that our numerator is 2. That lets me know that each whole piece should have 2 shaded pieces. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to add all the pieces that are shaded, or we can count out loud. So we have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 10 pieces that are shaded, and my denominator never changes, so my denominator will be 6. So we have 10, 6. So if you also notice, I can also multiply my 5 whole with my numerator, which is 2. So if I do 5 times 2, that gives me my numerator as 10, and as we know, we always leave my denominator as 6. So I still get 10, 6 when I multiply my whole with my numerator. Okay guys, here's this next problem I want you to try on your own. We have 3 times 4 fifths. I would like you to try to solve it on your own with one of the strategies I had just shown you. Okay, so if we draw a model, we know that we have 3 holes. My denominator is 5, so I know I'm going to have 5 pieces. And each piece will have 4 shaded, because that's what my numerator is. Okay, now I'm going to count how many are shaded in each piece. So we have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So I have 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 4 equals 12. So I know I have 12 pieces that are shaded, and my denominator is still 5. If you try the other strategy, remember I can multiply my whole with my numerator. So I have 3 times 4, which still equals 12, and my denominator is still 12. So my answer will still equal 12 fifths. Okay, I'm going to have you guys do this last problem again by yourself. So we see we have 2 groups, and we have 8 pieces in each group. If we look at our numerator, we know that there's going to be 3 that will be shaded. Okay, now we're going to see how many pieces are shaded. So we have 3 over here, 3 over here. We know 3 plus 3 will equal 6 pieces that are shaded out of 8. And if you did the other strategy, we can always look at our whole, multiply it by our numerator. We know 2 times 3 will still give me 6. So my answer should be 6/8. Now try these strategies on your own. Remember, you can choose either strategy. Show your work.